What's up, everyone? This is the C1500 LS swap 1990 Dakota Digital dash. Just found the wiring diagram and cut the wires and spliced them into this extension harness that I got going to the box over here. So that'll be what it looks like over here. And I did, since it's LS swap, I went ahead and spent the extra like $100 for the BIM box right there. So what that does is convert all your engine data through your OBD2 port to your gauges like speedometer, tachometer, all that good stuff, and through this wire right here. And all those other wires, I made an extension harness that I got to still run through the hole right here and put in there. That's just like the high beams, turn signal, fuel, stuff like that. The computer doesn't run. So trying to make it a little clean install. Should be pretty clean when it's all done. I did two OBD2 ports, because one for that BIM box and then one for like a little Bluetooth reader to a tablet for clearing any kind of, diagnostic stuff if I have to look at it. Thought it'd be a little bit more convenient than switching plugs out and stuff and losing connectivity to the dash. I don't know if I heard it's not going to work, but I ran it in anyways because I had an extra one. But it's coming along. Finally got it wired up. It took me long enough. It's pretty easy. I'm just going to tuck it in there like that. Throw that in there. And then, shit, it's almost there. Then I just got to run that one more cable for that plug-in right there, which is that's what sends all the information from that box to the cluster for the tachometer and speedometer and stuff like that. Engine temp, all that stuff's ran through that through the OBD2 port box. And this will look like with it in there. Obviously it needs to be positioned right and everything, but gets the right idea. Should be pretty badass. I'm gonna switch out the steering wheel, like a Grant or whatever.